Looking for the best garden pot for your home or garden? Our experts took a deep dive into the market and purchased 10 of the top options to test side by side. We transplanted our own precious plants into these pots, setting them up for use in our gardens and inside with houseplants. Each different garden pot was judged for value by quality of construction, its versatility for different uses, considered aesthetics and design, and whether they come with any features like drainage plates or self-watering systems. Our comprehensive lineup includes a range of styles and brands to help you deduce which model is right for your home or garden. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review Present. Top 5 Best Garden Pots. Let's get started. Number 5. Gardenix Decor 7 Self-Watering Pot. If you are searching for a garden pots, the Gardenix Decor 7 Self-Watering Pot review on our list is ideal for you. It comes in several pieces you must assemble and includes 2 fertilizer pucks. It's fairly easy to put together, and the fertilizer puck just needs to be soaked before you are ready to plant seeds or repot a succulent. The included fertilizer expands to just about all the extra soil you will need if you're repotting, and you'll only need a handful of extra soil if you're sowing seeds. Once everything is assembled, this pot has a nice, clean, and simple aesthetic, and the self-watering feature helps keep even your neediest plants low maintenance. It's a great size, allowing room for any standard-sized houseplant or a tiny herb garden. Although the pot was fairly easy to assemble, the instructions could have been clearer. That extra step of assembling it may make the difference between a garden pot you will love and one that is a hassle. All in all, this planter is a great option if you need something low maintenance that looks great around your home. Number 4. Yishang Large Terracotta Pots. When you think of a garden pot, you're more than likely to think of the large terracotta pot, and for a good reason. These pots are a classic not only because the simple aesthetic goes well with any decor or landscaping, but because they do the job and are built to last. These pots are easy to plant in, with a wide opening at the top and a drainage hole and drainage plate at the bottom. We love that this product has 4 pots to coordinate your interior and exterior designs. Although we love the traditional large terracotta pot, we wish this particular model were just a little bit larger and slightly less breakable. Fitting a medium-sized plant in one of these pots is a tight fit, and knocking it over would undoubtedly be the end of your terracotta pot. However, these planters are timeless and do the job well. Number 3. Gepage 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter. The fun and colorful Gepage 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter is beautiful and functional. This set of 2 pots has a wide opening at the top, making it easy to plant, and comes with a matching drainage plate. For how decorated these pots are, they really don't disappoint in size or function. They are a good size for a medium-sized houseplant or small herbs. They are decorative without being too flashy or uniform, and would look beautiful anywhere in your home or your garden. We found that they are easy to plant in and love that they are similar but slightly different. Although we love ceramic pots, they do have a downside. The Gepage 6-inch Beaded Ceramic Planter might not be the pot for you if you're worried about breaking it. As lovely as it is, it's better to have a whole pot than a broken one, even if it does have a nice design. That being said, these are great garden pots for sturdy surfaces both inside and out. Number 2. Latossi Ceramic Plant Pots. Our team loved this planter. The Latossi plant pot is easy to use, elegant, and has an attached water dish at the bottom. It's made of ceramic with a smooth finish and has small mesh circles to keep the dirt from falling out of the hole at the bottom. Because of the bowl-like shape, it's incredibly easy to fill with any plant of your choice and could be used either outside or indoors. It's hard to find such a beautiful and simple ceramic planter, and the set comes with 3. The major downside for the Latossi plant pot is that the water dish is attached to the planter. Although we love this feature for its added convenience, it can make the pot harder to clean. If dirt were to get into the water dish, it would be a pain to dig out. However, it's nice to be able to move your plants without worrying about water and dirt dripping out of the bottom. With a nice clean look and feel, and the 3 different sizes, this set is an excellent buy. Number 1. HomeNote Plastic Planter Flower Pot. The HomeNote Plastic Planter Flower Pot are the best garden pots you can buy this year. We were surprised by how much we liked the HomeNote Plastic Planter. Instead of your normal run-of-the-mill plastic planter, this is sleek and stiff, with a matte finish. It's easy to use and comes in a set of 5 different sizes, from a succulent pot to a perfectly sized pothos planter. The largest has a capacity of about 2 gallons. Each pot also comes with a matching drainage plate, so that if you decide to take these guys inside, you can water your plants without watering the windowsill. There aren't many negative aspects to the HomeNote plastic planter set, but these planters don't offer anything extra. If you're looking for something flashy or a self-watering feature, these planters just don't have it. However, if you are a fan of simplicity, this is a great deal for 5 great planters.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.